Hippocrates famously said, "Let food be thy medicine," which means good food can help you live a healthier and longer life without having to have medicines. Hello, and welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the proven health benefits of green beans. This seemingly simple vegetable can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, boost your immune system, manage diabetes, fight against cancer, regulate the digestive system, improve fertility, strengthen bones, and have numerous other benefits. So don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to improve your life with almost daily beneficial videos. Alright, so make green beans a part of your diet if not already. Before jumping on the benefits of green beans, it is pertinent to know their nutritional value. Green beans comprise 90% of water, which makes them highly nutritious. Beans are low in fat and calories and contain almost no cholesterol. They have a high amount of fiber and protein. Importantly, beans have all important vitamins like A, C, K, B6, and folic acid. Minerals like calcium, silicon, iron, magnesium, potassium, and copper are also high in green beans. Other nutrients such as fructose, starch, glucose, and sugars are also present, which makes beans a typical staple at nightly dinners. Now, let's take a look at the wide range of benefits of green beans. 1. Green beans reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The first proven benefit is that green beans can greatly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A green bean contains a high level of flavonoids. Flavonoids, like phytonutrients, are highly beneficial against cardiovascular diseases. Having a certain amount of flavonoids prevents diseases like strokes, heart failure, high cholesterol, and others. Green beans contain antioxidants like camphorol and quercetin, which reduce the severity of strokes. Many researches prove that beans prevent blood clots. These antioxidants are only found in a few fruits and vegetables, including green beans. A sad fact is that cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death across the globe. The World Health Organization data shows that about 18 million people die due to cardiovascular diseases. In the United States alone, nearly 700,000 people lose their lives due to this. In other words, 1 in every 5 deaths is related to the heart. Hey, don't get me wrong though, if you're thinking that cardiovascular diseases are only for older adults, you better think again. In the United States, over 20.1 million adults are facing heart-related issues, so even if you are young, you are vulnerable to it. And the remedy is green beans. 2. Green beans help manage diabetes. Another notable benefit of green beans is that it helps manage diabetes. Oh my gosh. Diabetes, the silent assassin. You most probably know someone in your family or friends who've lost their lives because of diabetes. Diabetes is the 9th leading cause of death in the world, with an estimated 1.5 million direct deaths. Diabetes can lead to kidney failure, blindness, heart attacks, limb amputation, and many such issues. Therefore, the indirect death rate of diabetes is far higher than any other disease. According to the World Health Organization, about 500 million people are suffering from diabetes. Over 96 million Americans, or over a third of the population, have prediabetes. In the US, diabetes is the 7th largest cause of death. 1 in 5 of the 37 million Americans have diabetes, which shows its increased prevalence in the United States. And that's where green beans come to the rescue. Research by Central Food Technological Research Institute, India, shows that this vegetable has hypoglycemic effects on diabetes patients. In simple words, if a patient has an unpredictable increase in glucose level, beans will lead to hypoglycemia, the state of low blood sugar. Like, seriously? Yes! Beans are extremely useful in regulating insulin, which adds many years to your life. If you know any diabetes patients who don't use green beans, tell them this. Share this video with them and help them live longer. 3. Green beans may boost your immunity. And the third most important benefit of using green beans is that they can greatly boost your immune system. The human body has a natural doctor inside that defends the body against infection or any germ attack. So if bacteria or viruses attack you, the immune system is the first wall of defense. And if it is strong, like China's Great Wall, you're safe. Over time, our immunity gets weakened and we need different medicines to boost it. Make thy food thy medicine. So we are going to use green beans to boost immunity. We all know this vegetable contains antioxidants that can track down any dangerous free radicals and even can eliminate them before they cause any disease or damage any tissue. A recent study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that green beans have a high concentration of antioxidants, like carotenoids and flavonoids. They contain carotene and lutein, which can boost your immunity manifold. Green beans are a great source of vitamin A, as it includes carotenoids. Nearly 20% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A is present in a cup of green beans. This vitamin reduces swelling and strengthens your immune system. Wow, that's incredible! 4. Green beans may regulate digestive system. Fourthly, green beans are effective in regulating the digestive system. Making it a permanent part of your diet will improve bowel movement in you, which reduces stress on bowel walls. Similarly, we need a certain amount of fiber in our diet for the proper functioning of the digestive system. Fibers help address issues such as constipation, ulcers, hemorrhoids, and acid reflux diseases. I may not die of ulcer or constipation, but they can cost us thousands of dollars. It's not all about money, it's about health and well-being. I don't want any disease or disorder whatsoever, so you, like me, should start eating beans daily. Dietitians suggest at least 110 grams of green beans, as it can give you a much-needed 15% of daily fiber to your body. Let you know one thing, there are only a few vegetables that help us regulate digestion, and none does better than beans, let alone their delicious taste. 5. Green beans may improve fertility and pregnancy. For women of childbearing age, there could be no better diet than using green beans, as it can double your fertility. According to research at Harvard Business School, green beans are one of the 3 all-important vegetables that promote fertility and improve pregnancy, which includes green beans. The other 2 vegetables are pumpkin and spinach. Another Harvard study shows the fertility rate greatly increases when a woman of childbearing age starts consuming beans regularly. It has vitamin C, iron, folic acid, and many other nutrients that are crucial for fertility. Folic acid in green beans also protects the fetus against neural tube defects, which reduces miscarriages and other such mishaps. All you need is 1 cup of green beans and you will get 10% of a daily dose of folic acid and 6% of iron. Apart from that, beans contain a high amount of folate, which plays many crucial tasks during pregnancy. For instance, folate produces RBCs in the human body, or red blood cells. This naturally boosts the immunity of the mother. Beans also help protect embryos, which is crucial. And that's why good doctors suggest vegetables like green beans to women of childbearing age. 6. Green beans help overcome anxiety and depression. Yet another health benefit of green beans is that they help fight against anxiety and depression. Although World Health Organization data shows that 3.8% population faces depression, but I believe the actual numbers are much higher. In fact, every other person you talk to is suffering from depression. No less than 700,000 people commit suicide each year, which is due to depression. Therefore, it is important to timely treat this disease, or it will eat you like a termite. One of the effective ways to combat anxiety and depression is the daily consumption of green beans. As earlier mentioned, they contain vitamins B and C, which promote mental health. Other nutrients, such as amino acids, magnesium, zinc, tyrose, etc., which boosts mental health, produces neurotransmitters that produce positive thoughts and kill negativity. Importantly, green beans have a high amount of chromium, an important nutrient in treating crippling depression. 7. Green beans improve vision. Another notable health benefit of green beans is improved eyesight. They contain crucial antioxidants like zeaxanthin and lutein, which improve eyesight. A study at National Center for Biotechnology Information, UK, shows that daily consumption of green beans promotes vision health. It claims that a person who daily consumes beans is less vulnerable to cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and many other eyesight-related diseases. Does it mean you can get rid of your glasses by consuming beans? Yes. Even if you have genetic issues with eyesight, green beans can still be effective and can improve your vision health. So it is time to stop using tablets and potions and start consuming healthy diets. such as green beans. And there are numerous other benefits of green beans, including strengthening bones. They are abundant in vitamin K, which is necessary for the strength of bones. A strong bone contains osteocalcin, a crucial non-collagen protein responsible for the strengthening of bones. Actually, osteocalcin is a protein that works as cement and locks calcium molecules in bones. Similarly, beans have good effects on skin, hair, nails, and other body parts. Therefore, you should make green beans an inevitable part of your life. Stay healthy with beans. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for almost daily beneficial videos. See you in the next one.